Hi, I'd like to walk through extra topic about manipulating browser behavior options and Log4j framework. For this purpose, under Automation project, I added package number 7 called Browser Options and Log4j. Already added Java class Chrome Browser Options, and let's overview it. Point number 1. I place a comment here, attention. Starting from Selenium 4 and higher versions, the desired capabilities class is depreciated and is replaced with the options class. Previously, desired capabilities class was used to modify multiple driver properties and provided key value pairs to change browser properties like examples: accept security certificates, browser name, browser version, platform name, and others. I'll close this comment and we'll go to second one. Current Chrome options class is used for manipulating properties like properties of the Chrome driver. Chrome options class previously was used in conjunction with the desired capabilities for customizing browser behavior. It is used for start maximized example, incognito, headless, disable extensions, disable pop-up blocking in case you open a web page with some pop-up, make default browser when declares Chrome default browser, versions, and disable info bars. Right now, I'll show you in import, we're not gonna be using it. These two, capability type and desired capabilities. I placed a comment not used anymore. However, we imported from Selenium Chrome options, import Chrome options. Closing it. So our scenario: reset Chrome browser options before test run. Objective: implement Chrome browser specific options. Here it is, step number 1, which you're familiar with. We set Chrome driver. Step number 2 is different. Declare and preset Chrome browser specific options. So we create a variable named options from class Chrome options. We declare as new Chrome options. Then options we call add arguments. And we call for start maximized, this is a proper format, test type, and disable pop-up blocking. Now attention, desired capabilities, I placed extra comments here. Desired capabilities are depreciated. Once again, a reminder. Below is an example I placed of desired capabilities used. When desired capabilities, I removed it. Desired capabilities, this is a variable name, and desired capabilities, however, as you can see, it used to be Chrome, now it's class. And later, we used to call that capability type, and used to be capabilities types. Still on, however, except in secure, browser name, browser version, platform name, and others. However, not used anymore. I'll comment it back. Okay. Now, Attention number 2. This was attention number 1, attention number 2. Below option selection is instead of desired capabilities. For example, options, ignore certificate errors. It used to be like that. Accept insecure certificates. Used to be. However, now, these days, at this moment, at present moment, we simply use options, add arguments, and we write this in following format: ignore certificate errors. Everything else you are aware about. Step number 3, create an instance of web browser. We set to Chrome driver. However, we place this options argument, Chrome driver instance of web browser, as options right here. Notice options parameter. Then we get some kind of web page, pretty neutral one, that timeout, which is traditional implicitly wait. Okay, then we navigate. I set for thread sleep for 3 seconds, quit, and that's it. Okay, so right now I'm going to run it to show you the difference. This test, we are manipulating browser options. Run as Java application. Okay. All good. Started maximized as we set up. All good. Now I'll do a second run and I'll use options incognito mode here. Let's rerun it to see the difference, how you can manipulate browser options, browser appearance options. You see, it started in incognito mode this time. Very good. I'll place back options. Place comment here. Uncomment to see the difference. Okay. I'll save the file. And now a few words. If something exists, doesn't mean it's mandatory for you to use it. Unless you are working as automation tester, and unless you are not working with modern tools like Playwright and Cypress, and you are working with previous Selenium one, still working with Selenium, you are not obligated to use it. However, it would be useful for you to be aware that previous desired capabilities class is depreciated, and you can, second, you can manipulate browser behavior, not only Chrome, because there are other options, but you can, in this case, you can manipulate Chrome browser using Chrome options class. Okay, this all it takes. Simply preset browser options which you desire. That's it. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.